We'll guide you through how to find and see all saved passwords on your phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because over time you probably notice when you go and sign into a site, you've gone and had a pop-up about saving the login information, the email and the password, and perhaps you've gone and pressed save, and now you're wondering where can you go and see these different passwords that have gone and been saved. You can go and copy them, and you can go literally just go and view them as well. So make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. So what we can do here is first of all, we're going to be focusing this on the Google Password Manager. That is the main password manager that is used on Android. So I'm going to show you how you can go and find it, navigate it, and go and use it. So make sure you keep watching. So to go and do this, we need to go and open up a Google app. So there are going to be different apps you can do this with. I've got a folder here called Google with the different Google apps in here, but you could go and open up Google, you could open up Gmail, you could even go and open up Chrome as well. You'll need to go and head to google.com. I've got a shortcut here. And I'll show you how to do this in Google or Gmail. These are very similar. What you do is go and open it up. And what we're essentially looking for is your profile picture. So of course you could access this via a Google search with it in the top right, or Gmail, you'll go and see it there and you can then go and tap on it. Now, if you've got multiple Google accounts on your device and Gmail accounts, you can go and press switch and you can see them here and you can tap on them. As each account will go and have passwords on there potentially. Of course, you want to go and use the one that's the primary account on your device and you use the most, as that's where the password's going to go and be. Then what you can do is you can go and find the option for manage your Google account and you want to go and tap there like so. This will go and load. Now you want to go and scroll down the list here. You're going to see some different options here, but you want to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for security and sign in. Tap there. Wait for this to load. It shouldn't take long. And you want to go and scroll down and you need to go right to the bottom. And there, you're going to go and find the password manager. If you're struggling to go and find the password manager, you can go to the top right and press search, and you can go and type in password manager, and you can hopefully then go and find it. I'm going to go and tap on this here like so, and go and wait. Now, you're going to be on the manager. So you can go and add a password here, but likely you just want to go and see the different accounts you've got. So you can go and scroll through here and go and see them. You can go and see the number of accounts because it's possible that you go and have multiple accounts for one site. So I've got 2 Google accounts, I've got 3 LinkedIn, I've got 4 Netflix. You go and get the idea there. So you can go and find a website you want to go and do this with. Let's go and say I want to go and do it with Instagram here. I'll need to go and tap on it. Now, just to go and verify that it's you go and enter in your screen lock. The screen lock is what you use for getting into your device. So I have a PIN here. You may go and have the drawing, or you may need to enter in a password. So I'm going to go and enter in my PIN, and we can then go and press continue. And we're then brought to the login here. So you can go and see the username at the top. For me, it's GuideRealm. You can go and copy that. And you can then go and see the password here. I could go and reveal it by pressing the I, or go and copy it over to the right. You can edit it and delete it, and you get the idea there. And of course, you can go and continue doing that. You can scroll down and you can go and check more accounts. And if you've got multiple Google accounts, you can go and press your profile icon in the top right, press the arrow to the right here. And if you had them logged in or connected, you could then tap them and go and switch to them. And similarly, you can then scroll through your saved passwords and go and see what you've got saved. And you could potentially go and click on one, enter in the screen lock, and then go and see the details. So yeah, it's really convenient to go and do this because you can then go and see what you've got saved. So I could go into Adobe and then it goes and opens it up. I wasn't asked for the screen lock there just because I just did it. So it goes and has a bit of sort of like a grace period where you can go and check without having to go and enter it again. So you go and get the idea there. That is how it goes and works. And as I said, you can go and access it from a different Google account, from different Google apps as well. It's very similar. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We make videos like this every single day. So I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again in the future.